Ugh. Hello, all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison. I hope you're doing so well today. Today's video, I don't know why I'm doing this myself. I'm going to be doing a video today eating all of the foods that I absolutely hate. I'm so grossed out. Okay, so I have here in front of me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know it's not like the prettiest setup so you can see everything, but whew, I have 5 of the foods that I hate with a passion, so much. And I'm going to be eating them for you today in this video. Now, I am going to eat the foods. I don't have a spit bucket or anything. I'm not going to spit it out. I'm going to put it in my freaking mouth and eat it all, okay? I'm not going to eat like the whole thing. Like obviously you see this right here, celery. I'm not going to eat a whole stalk of celery. No ma'am, no way, no how at all. That's just not going to be a thing. But I'm going to eat it. I'm so scared. Okay, so let's get into it. Now, the first thing that I have right here, rice cakes. I don't like hate rice cakes, but like they're just so gross and so bland and like blah, and like I don't know, I just do not enjoy them. So let's get one out here and let's eat one, shall we? Okay, here we go. And I know like people eat them with like peanut butter or whatever and put toppings on them, but ugh, okay, ugh, okay. It's so dry. Ugh. Ugh. So gross. Oh, they're eating them like dust. Oh my god, they're so dry. Oh, I just want to get this over with. Oh. Oh. Ugh. This is so gross. There's like no saliva in my mouth. Oh. Ugh. Ah. Okay. Oh god, that was so gross. No me gusta. Okay. Like that wasn't the worst thing, but it was just a very unpleasant experience. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I don't even know where to go next. Okay. Okay, let's go with this. Vegemite. Now, if you know, or if you watched my fish and chips mukbang, I tried Vegemite in there, and it was the worst thing ever. But you know what? I'm gonna try it again. And this is the foods that I hate video, and I absolutely hate this with a freaking passion. So let's try this. Okay. Here we go. It's so gross. Okay. All right. I'm going to go with about the same amount that I tried last time. I don't know, like that. And I'm just going to eat it. Just put it in my mouth. I'm not going to put it on anything. Oh, I'm scared. Okay. It stinks so bad. Okay. Oh my god. What is in that fucking shit? Oh god. Go away, go home, go back to Australia. Ew. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, it's out of my mouth. It's gone. Oh, fuck off. Oh. That was fucking gross. Okay. Oh, I hate this video. Okay. Why did I decide to do this? I don't know. Okay. Food number 2 that I hate. Number 3. We're on number 3. Cucumbers. Ew. I haven't had a cucumber since I think I was 8 years old. We were driving in the mountains of Hawaii, and I just have this vivid memory, and we're going down these roads back down to the shore. And I was hungry, and who I was with? I was with a friend and her mom, and she gave me a freaking cucumber to eat. She's like, here, have a cucumber. And I was like, I don't really like them. And she's like, just eat them, it's fine. And I was like, okay. So I ate the cucumber, and then I was like, pull over, and I threw up. I threw up the cucumber. It's so gross. And I haven't, it stinks. I haven't had one since. But I love pickles. Pickles, I think, are cucumbers soaked in like a second chance at life. A second chance at being something good in this world. I don't want to do this. Okay. Oh my God, this is so nasty. I'm trying to eat it fast. Oh my God. Okay, it's gone. Ugh. Oh, fuck. Ugh. Oh, I hate this. Okay. Okay, let's just get this over with. Okay. Next. Celery. I hate celery. It's okay. It's so hard to get away from because it's used in a lot of cooking. And I'm stalling. I'm like, well, let's just talk about celery. No, okay, I need to do it. But it's like hard to get away from because it's, like I said, it's used in a lot of cooking, soups and stews and stuff like that. And I used to bartend, and we'd have to cut celery for the Bloody Marys. And so we'd have to cut for celery. Oh God, okay. Garnish for the blood. Oh, I'm not being dramatic. This is actually disgusting to me. We had to cut celery stalks for the Bloody Marys, and I couldn't cut it. Like, I had to have other people cut it because it's just so bad. It like makes my head hurt and my stomach hurt. I really don't want to do this one. Like, this is the worst one. Okay. I'm not going to eat this whole thing. You got me fucked up if you think I am. Oh. Okay, how's that? Is that fair? That's a good enough piece. Like, you don't understand. Like, think of the food that you absolutely hate the most and put yourself in my position. Like, some people hate onions. Imagine if this was... Oh, it stinks! If this was an onion right in front of you. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, it's so gross. Okay. Oh, so stringy. Oh, no. Go away from me. Oh. That's not funny. That's disgusting. oh no, that's Satan in disguise. That ain't right. No, ma'am. No way, no how. Jesus, take the wheel. Oh my God. No. I really tried. I was really trying to swallow it. My body won't let me. I'm gonna have nightmares about that. Okay. Oh, let's just go. Come on. Are we done yet? Okay. All right, y'all. Now, the very last thing, licorice. My mom's favorite candy was licorice growing up, and oh, I just remember the smell of it. Ugh. This stuff is so nasty. Ugh. What is wrong with people? Okay. All right. So I got 2 kinds. I don't remember the difference, but I just saw that they had two kinds, so I bought 2 kinds, and this is all I bought. Oh, okay, let's try this one. Ugh. 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 I mean, it's not super strong. It was fucking... Let's try this one. Ugh. Oh, that was worse! Oh my God. Kumbaya. Oh my God. Oh. This sucks. Oh. Ugh. Go to bed. My floor is just full of thrown food. No. Okay. All right. Okay, y'all. There is my foods that I absolutely hate. I want to see you guys do this video. If you want to film eating foods that I hate video, please do it. It's absolute torture. Oh, it just re-solidifies why I hate those foods. Ew. So if you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video where I eat foods that I absolutely love. Yum, yum, yum. Bye.